on this occasion. So Gary Kirsten is gone. Well taken there by Ajay Jadeja at point. So the 2 century makers are now gone for South Africa.
And this is good bowling from Rahul Dravid. Not an experienced bowler in one-day cricket. He's taken all the pace off it and has just dropped a little short of where Gary Kirsten wanted to be. He gave himself a bit of room to swat it away, and it's just bounced a little bit, and that's a good catch. So Dravid strikes, and the 2nd century maker is on his way. Gary Kirsten out for 115, 249 for 2.
Lance Klusener comes to the crease. This crowd, I must say, a very fair one. They have their favourites, and they're not just Indian players. Lance Klusener got a tremendous reception, coming in following the dismissal of Gary Kirsten.
Yes, looking for some boundaries, Gary Kirsten. Not quite to the pitch. He did try to hit it square and didn't get it in the middle of the bat.
He's got a wicket. So he's got 2 wickets in the 1 over. Now he can really boast that he got Lance Klusener for North.
And that's well bowled. Different line. He's bowled much straighter to Lance Klusener. No room to swing the arm. Hadn't settled in at all, Klusener. Not really used to the pace. And there was not much pace on it. And I think that's what's been very good from Rahul Dravid's point of view. He's prepared to throw it up. Try and do a little bit of turn. Klusener not to the pitch of the delivery. Played a little bit too early and a neat caught and bowled. So what a change. 2 wickets in the 1 over. Lance Klusener is out for naught. 249 for 3.
2 wickets here from Dravid. This is the first one. This one pitched around about middle stump, straight back. He caught and bowled that one, no trouble at all.